Blake here again. About 5 days ago, I did a video on the bobber, the backyard build, and in the same day I got another project I'm about to show y'all, and I hope y'all like it. And it's a pretty good deal. It's a 1984 Honda Go Wing Interstate Edition. Picked this thing up off of Craigslist for about 800 bucks. But just showing y'all what it's gonna look like, what it looks like now. When I get done with it, it won't look like this. It's got about 22,900 something miles, looks like. I'll fire it up. It's too quiet for me. Looks like it runs pretty good. The other day I had it up to about 100 on the back road. There wasn't enough road there to get any faster than that. But anyway, there it is. If y'all like it, give me a thumbs up or comments below. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, this is my 2005 Yamaha 1100 V-Star. Had it for about 2 years now. It was used to be a deputy's bike. Cat didn't come with it. It's got Cobra exhaust. I put the handle grips there on it myself. A little aftermarket. I'll probably add a few other things, but other than that, this one here pretty much won't change like the project bikes I've had you seen in the other videos. So I'll go ahead and fire this thing up. It's got the sound that I like. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all like it on the other one, subscribe. Anytime I do something, I'll throw it on there where y'all can see it. Thank you for watching.